The objective of this video is to examine various representations of the three-digit number 321. And while I present the different representations, I will be pointing out a few Minnesota state standards that align with them, and I will also point out one language objective related to these representations. So to begin, the number in standard form, 321, and in written form here, 321. This is expanded notation where we focus on the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So 300 plus 20 plus 1 equals 321. And this is the representation of 321 using drawings or manipulatives. This is the base 10 blocks just drawn out. So these big blocks represent 100, these lines represent 10, and this square represents 1. So 321. And a note on using manipulatives. This is a second grade standard 2.111, which reads read, write, and represent whole numbers up to 1,000. Representations may include numerals, addition, subtraction, multiplication, words, pictures, tally marks, number lines, and manipulatives, as we see here. Okay, next. Here is 321 on a number line with the reference numbers being placed by 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, and 321 is a little bit less than halfway in between 300 and 400. And one more than 321 is 322. One less is 320. 10 more than 321 is 331. 10 less than 321 is 311. And a note on 10 more or 10 less. This is a first grade standard 1.114, which is find a number that is 10 more or 10 less than a given number. But however, 321 is a bit of a high number for first graders, so it's just the concept of adding 10 and subtract, 10 more than one number and 10 less than one number. That is the first grade standard. Okay, and then 100 more than 321 is 421, and 100 less than 321 is 221. Another note is that there could be a possible language objective while using more than and less than. A possible language objective could be students will orally describe the digit 1, 10, and 100 less and more than another digit, practicing the vocabulary more and less than. 321 is an odd number. It is composite. The factors are 1, 3, 107, and 321. The first 5 multiples are 321, 642, 963, 1,284, and 1,605. And I created a decreasing pattern that starts with 1,605, then down to 1,284, then 963, then 642, then 321. And the rule for this pattern is simply subtract 321 from the previous number. So my CGI problem is, I chose to do a joint result unknown, and it says Abby is watching Emily in Paris on Netflix. Season 1 has 120 episodes. Season 2 has 99 episodes. And Season 3 has 102 episodes. How many episodes are there in total of Emily in Paris? So to solve this, I also used the idea of using addition using partial sums, like we learned in class. So we write each one in expanded notation. So 100 plus 20 plus 0, 0 plus 90 plus 9, 100 plus 0 plus 2, and then add those all up, and we get 321. And this problem is a 4th grade standard 4.1.1.5, which reads solve multiple step real world and mathematical problems requiring the use of addition, subtraction, and multiplication of multi-digit whole numbers. Use various strategies, including the relationship between operations, the use of technology, and the context of the problem to assess the reasonableness of results. So as you can see, this is a multi-step problem, and we used a different strategy that you might not think of. Thank you.